Ivan Ajedra, 23, walked in the court-martial room sitting at 4th Infantry Division headquarters knowing he would be jailed. Ajedra was charged before the military court for illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition, an offense that attracts a 10-year jail term if found guilty.
Ajedra Ivan, the accused person, was charged with the offense of unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition contrary to Section 3, subsection 1, 2, A and B of the Firearms Act, Chapter 299 of the laws of Uganda. After taking plea, the accused person pleaded guilty to both counts, and the court convicted him on his own plea of guilty. The judge advocate explained to the accused what it meant by pleading guilty and its implications. Prosecution informed the court that the convict acquired the unserviceable pistol without a magazine, which was the property of his father. The father was a police officer who died when the convict was still a younger boy. That later, when he discovered the pistol, he decided to keep it and never reported anywhere until it was discovered in his suitcase that the live ammunitions belonged to a soldier of UPDF. Court took time to investigate on this issue and confirmed that indeed those ammunitions belonged to a UPDF soldier. That the offense of this nature are very rampant in this area, and this court needs to pass a sound warning that although the convict has pleaded guilty, court should not consider this as innocence. The convict had a chance to report the pistol to the authorities when he discovered it, but he decided to keep it. This is not an action of an innocent person.
But the court-martial chairperson, Colonel George Nambafu, had a rather surprising ruling for Ajedra, who had pleaded guilty to the charges.
Having considered all of this and the time spent in custody and the aggravating factors to this offense, this court therefore sentences you, Ajedra Ivan, to a caution. A caution means we are giving you a warning, never do it again.
It was at this point, when he was set free, that emotions kicked in. Ajedra had this message to pass to the people.
It's a pleasure that I'm now free. Let me make it open. I'm free, but I have this little advice for people outside there who have such things. Don't even a bottle of a soldier, please open up, report to the police. Because what I've been through wasn't easy. That's the little advice I can give for people out there.